Hey Don, how you doing? It's another day, another week. And speaking of another week, before we get into this week, I just want to review the calls that we made last week. There were 5 calls. We started on Sunday, just like we're starting today for Monday. And 3 of them were bearish, 2 of them were bullish. We were 4 out of 5. Missed the bullish call on Wednesday. But the others were spot on. So far, we're running at 80%. All right, so what's coming up?
Well, the setup that we see for tomorrow it's interesting because it's anywhere from a 60 to a 75% historical win as a buy. But no matter how we look at it, we can't really get above 75, 76%. And normally, I'd be a little hesitant to only have that kind of statistical edge. You know, we like to go for the 80 to 85, 90% statistical edges. But when I look at it, I notice that the losses were not that great compared to the gains. And in fact, the loss in the last month, if this signal had been taken as presented, there would have been about 6 SPY points net using this signal, with again very minimal losses. So the bottom line is, the way I view this signal is about a 3 out of 4 statistical edge as a buy, and with not a lot of downside.
Right. Now, so I would call that like an asymmetric bet.
That's your language, Ernie. I don't know what
I know, that's
means.
why I said it. It's mine. I said that's what I would call it, an asymmetric bet. And I like that. As far as from an options player's point of view, that's exactly what we like to see. Okay.
Well, I mean, I think the one wild card people need to keep in mind right now is, of course, the election. I don't know, I hate to even think of the story as being as a part of these signals, so I'm not going to, but part of me, the intuitive part of me, is a little concerned about what could happen over the next couple of days with the election. But I'm going to go with the signal. We are personally going to trade this signal as a long, and if people want to get the signals in advance, they can always, send me an email or whatever.
Okay, that's great. So we'll show the particulars after we sign off, and people will, if they hang on, they'll see it at the end of this video. Thanks a lot, Don.
Sure. See you.